If you are using the desktop version of Evernote, then you'll see an option called Work Chat right here that will allow you to communicate with other users that you're working with. So to do that, let me just go around and click on Work Chat right here. So over here, you can see to is an option. So you can go around and type in the email address of other Evernote users right here. And as long as they're online, what you can do is you can chat with them in real time. So here you can see that I have added to the YouTube channel too, and you can also go around add in 2 members at once, and then over here you can say something like hi right here. So let me just go around and type in hi, press enter, and you can see that the message goes right here to the other users. You can go around over here and send them out a message right here, and then what happens is that it goes out to the other users. And what the other users will be able to do is they'll be able to simply reply to you, and you'll get a reply back over here. So I'm just going to go around onto my other account and send a message right here. And then you can see that this is the work chat right here. And you can see that the other person has replied over here as well. So for the work chat to show up, first of all, you need to share out your notes so that other people can collaborate with you. Otherwise, the work chat won't be enabled until then. But once you do, you can see that it just pops up right here, and you can simply communicate and say something like, can you finish the note right here, just like this. And then what the other person can do and is they can reply out to you and then work around accordingly right here. So that is how you can utilize work chat inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe